Chiliz cost commonly equivalent to $0.0949 a coin, or so they really thought. The present exchange cost range, 0.0913-0.0951 in an especially significant way. The earlier day close, 0.0935, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The change was plus 0.0014, plus 1.50%, showing how the change especially was plus 0.0014, plus 1.50%, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Converse rate, USD to CHZ in a sort of huge manner. Chiliz value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.087, especially most extreme 0.093, kind of least 0.081, or so they thought. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.086, extremely greatest 0.092, especially least 0.080 in a significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost $0.087, extremely greatest 0.093, in every way that really matters, least 0.081 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz estimate on Monday, June 12, cost $0.088, greatest 0.094, truly least 0.082 in a fundamentally large way. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.089, fundamentally most extreme 0.095, least 0.083. So Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.086, certainly greatest 0.092, most certainly least 0.080 amazingly. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.088, beautiful most extreme 0.094, especially least 0.082, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.087, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.093, really least 0.081 in a genuinely significant way. Chiliz gauge on Friday, June 16, cost $0.085, certainly greatest 0.091, kind of least 0.079, which generally is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost $0.087, beautiful most extreme 0.093, essentially least 0.081 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.088, especially greatest 0.094, kind of least 0.082, fundamentally further appearance how in multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.089, especially most extreme 0.095, exceptionally least 0.083, so Chiliz gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.086, by and large most extreme 0.092, really least 0.080, which is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.088, by and large most extreme 0.094, least 0.082. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.087, truly greatest 0.093, truly least 0.081, so Chiliz value expectation in the not-so-distant future and month Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.087, really most extreme 0.093, especially least 0.081, or so they explicitly thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost $0.084, most extreme 0.090, especially least 0.078 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz figure on Monday, June 26, cost $0.084, especially greatest 0.090, in every way that really matters, least 0.078 in an essentially significant way. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.084, genuinely greatest 0.090, for the most part least 0.078. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.082, most extreme 0.088, sort of least 0.076, or so they thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.082, really most extreme 0.088, lovely least 0.076. Chiliz estimate on Friday, June 30, cost $0.082, genuinely greatest 0.088, least 0.076 in a genuinely enormous way. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost $0.081, certainly most extreme $0.087, by and large least $0.075, which sort of is genuinely critical. In about a month Chiliz figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.082, most certainly greatest $0.088, truly least $0.076, which is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost $0.082, really most extreme $0.088, lovely least $0.076, which is very huge. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, July 6, cost $0.082, in every practical sense, greatest $0.088, truly least $0.076, or so they fundamentally thought. USD to CHZ swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 10.5363 coins per $1, or so they sort of thought. Today, S reach 10.5169109525, or so they thought. The past day, S nearby 10.6952, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Change for now 0.1589, 1.49% in a huge way. USD to CHZ cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future in month, showing that Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost $0.087, especially greatest $0.093, really least $0.081, which especially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Wednesday, June 7, cost 11.494 coins, sort of greatest 12.346, kind of least 10.753, showing how USD to CHZ cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future in month, exhibiting that Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost $0.087, sort of most extreme $0.093, fundamentally least $0.081, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to CHZ forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 11.628 coins, especially most extreme 12.500, certainly least 10.870 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Friday, June 9, cost 11.494 coins, beautiful greatest 12.346, in every practical sense, least 10.753. Exceptionally further appearance how Chiliz estimate on Monday, June 26, cost $0.084, truly most extreme 0.090, fundamentally least 0.078 in a significant way. USD to CHZ forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 11.364 coins, truly greatest 12.195, truly least 10.638, which especially is genuinely critical. In multi-week dollar to Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost 11.236 coins, really greatest 12.048, in every practical sense, least 10.526, sort of additional appearance how Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, July